Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a skull and then we can change it into a skull and crossbones depending on what you want. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw the skull. Now I'm going to do it really slowly, step by step, so you can follow. And if I go too fast, pause the video. So I'm going to start, I think this time, with the eyes. So I'm going to go like this. Bit of a spooky one, this one today. So there's one eye. And then the other one, do this one. They didn't to be wobbly and not quite perfect, I think. So there's the eyes, and I'll just do the nose, and then I will. So this is what your skull should look like. Probably not really, because it's a cartoon version. So there's the eyes and the nose. I'm going to colour this in while I'm talking. Got a bit of a thicker one to colour in with. So you'll see here I've got a picture, and that is a picture to my pirate story series called Captain Cuthbert and Scat the cat. Now Cuthbert is horrible. He's dead bossy and greedy. He's not a very nice character. But he always gets his comeuppance, and something always goes wrong because of his greediness. Scat, as you can see there, he is a very cute character. He's got his own book as well, and he's in every single one of my series. Cuthbert's in most of them, but then I decided to do some other books. One has got aliens and robots called The Visitor. And then I've done another one with another baddie in. He's a nasty one as well, called Lord Uppity. So you can check them out. If you scan this, you can get a free one actually. So you can scan that, or you can read below. That's got my web address on there. And there's a free story where I read it out on here on my YouTube channel. And you can see all the pictures fully. So take a look. There's all sorts on there as well. You'll find games and activities and stuff. So there we go. That's that. That's his face and nose. Glad I've got a thicker pen this time. So here we go. I'm going to draw the teeth next, because what I want is this to dry, then I don't smudge it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go up. I'm going to try and get a similar distance with these teeth. And that one needs to go in the middle. If you look on your face, your tooth should have a gap in the middle, so I need to try and line that up as much as possible with that. There we go. Kind of a little bit wonky. I should have done possibly a bit more wonky, maybe. Would have been. Don't know. Try, experiment. Don't do it exactly the same as me. You can change yours. Do whatever you want. I forgot as well. I forgot to say, I don't draw in pen straight away. I always draw in pencil first, and then make a mistake, which I often do, and then I can rub it out, and I've not ruined it. There we go. That's that. And I'm going to try. Now what I would do here, because my hand can't bend, I would turn the paper like that. Okay, and then you can just much more comfortable. You can see now it's taking its shape, can't you? Right. Hard. You think the detail's usually harder, but I don't think. I think this is harder. This is going to be the top of the skull, and this is a tip. When you draw, if you draw like that, it's not easy. Where you can mould your picture by drawing, as you can see, the way I'm doing it now, like this, your pencil. Now these are guidelines. You're still drawing the picture, it's not cheating to draw with pencil. These are the guidelines, so you've now got a guideline to follow. And you know it's okay, that shape's not bad. I might just put mine a little bit more there, like that. So they're your guidelines, which you can then draw over. Now when you draw over your pictures and trace your pictures, it stores it in your memory so that you can draw them better and better and better every time. So when you invent your own character, I'm just going to use another technique. My hand's dragging a bit, so I'm going to pop that under. So when I draw now, it should slide. I'm going to stop and turn my page. And I'm going to go up. And then all the way round. And try and meet that point. There we go, just. So there's the skull. Now if you want, you can leave it like that, like a skull. I'm going to turn mine into a pirate one now. So they have skull and crossbones. So I'm going to draw. Now the trickiness with this, I'll use one of my boots to show you. We need to try and get that level, because that bone is going to poke out here. So if I had it like that, that's not level. That bone will look like it's snapped. So I need to try and get it perfectly level. So we do that, and then you can, there you go, like that. And then same here. Okay, so the in line. It's one solid bone, isn't it? Okay, so we can do that. And there we go. Now I can draw now over that line. The same here. You've just got something to follow. We don't need knobbly bits on the end. So let's have a go. Like I said, you might want to turn your picture. There you go. You turn it around like that. It's just more comfortable. There we go. I'm going to do one on this side as well. I'm going to go around like that. Turn yours whenever you want to make it easier. They've got chocolate cake on my hands. Chocolate cake before I did this. I've not washed them properly. There we go. And then what you can do again, using the other boot. This is him. Nasty piece of work, him. Not very nice. So there we go. Is that going to be level? I think that might. So I'm going to put my line here, and then I need to try and do the same. Just get a pencil, make sure it's right. Is that a line there? There we go. And then I'm going to come in a bit from that. And draw the knobbly bit on the end, like that. So there we go. And now, mine isn't actually quite in line, as you can see. Not perfect, but nearly. So I could have rubbed that out with pencil if I'd have used pencil. But you won't be able to see properly if I use pencil. So there we go. Well, there we go. A skull and crossbone pirate, or you can have it as just a skull. I quite like it as just a skull as well. So there we go. That is how you draw skull and crossbone. Now I would really like to see your pictures. I'm putting a gallery on my Facebook page, so you'll get to see your pictures on there. So if you email me your pictures, you'll find all the details below, or you can scan this. And that would be great. Please send them to me on my email or Facebook page, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.